Hello everyone, welcome back to Krishna's lectures. Now we shall study about Melvin Kelvin. Melvin Kelvin, he is a chemist. He started studying the reactions in green plants following the use of nuclear bombs. He met somebody called J.A. Basham. This is a sign for with. So, when he was reading it, he came to know that the plants use carbon dioxide, they take up water, fine, and they take up minerals. So, they take up all of these and they give out what? Oxygen. This happens in presence of sunlight. So, the sunlight is very, very important. You have to understand this, that we are not going in detail about photosynthesis. There is a chapter on photosynthesis. There we have the factors affecting it. There are 10 factors, and we carbon, taking up carbon is a big chapter, big section in the chapter altogether. We have C3 C4 cycles, we have C3 and C4. Then taking up water, again it is a big thing. We have transport in plants. There we are going to study that how does water travel against the gravitational pull. So that itself is a chapter. And minerals, we have a chapter on minerals. So to understand photosynthesis, we need to first understand the chapter transport in plants to understand how water is absorbed, and then we have mineral nutrition, and then we have photosynthesis. Then that is where we are going to study about carbon being taken up by the plants, C3 or C4, and what reactions happen in sunlight. So what did Melvin Kelvin do? Melvin Kelvin used C14. It is a radioactive isotope of carbon. He used radioactive isotope of carbon, that is C14, and tried to map the reaction that happens in photosynthesis. And for this he has been given Nobel Prize. What did he actually say? He said water is being split up by the sunlight, and then carbon dioxide is being fixed in the form of carbohydrates, and then oxygen what we get is from the H2O. So this happens in sunlight. And he said there are pigments, there is an array of arranged pigments, and electron is transferred from one pigment to another. So basically the summary is, you have to understand all these things we shall study in the chapter photosynthesis. For this he has been given Nobel Prize. You don't have to remember all of it. The thing to remember here is light energy, that is the sun, whatever the light sun is giving, light, that is light energy, is being converted to chemical energy. This is what he said. So Melvin Kelvin got Nobel Prize for mapping the pathway of carbon assimilation in photosynthesis. Fine, this is all we have got to read about Melvin Kelvin. Thank you.